Hey everyone, welcome back. I've started a new series which is vlog style, as you have seen my previous video, which was about the airport, how to describe the airport. So basically, I thought of coming up with something new so that it's convenient for you to start speaking in English on any topic, any particular thing which is there in front of you. So you don't have to worry on what topic I should take, what should I speak in English about. Wherever you are in, whichever situation you are in, whatever you are doing, you can just describe the whole thing in English and it will not take more than 10 minutes of yours. So that is why this series is about 10 minutes daily English conversation practice with me, vlog style. Guys, today I've shot two different vlogs. The weather was good, so I thought of going out in the evening and checking out the place. So there was one place which is called Metro, which is a retail store here. So I went there and I just thought of describing that place, what is happening around it, what it is about, and what I have done there. So you can check out my first vlog, which is all about Metro. I have shot another vlog wherein we went to a small eatery, and since the weather was good, we just thought of having a quick bite. So we thought we went to have some chaat and tea and sweets. So we went there and we had that there. So I've just shot a small vlog there as well about what I had there, how was my experience about that place, and you can just check out how I describe that place as well. So guys, basically the idea is if it is a small place, if it is a big place, if it is anything, whatever, wherever you are, you can just talk about that place for 5 minutes, 7 minutes or 10 minutes in English. If not there, you can come back home and then you can just recall what has happened, or you can just recall about the place and you can just start speaking about it. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's very quick. And since my English is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to relate, you can always speak with me, repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can take my topic, take my idea, or come up with a new idea and start speaking about it. Right? So these are samples which I'm just trying to put up in front of you so that you understand how you can talk about anything and everything in English. Try doing this exercise for at least 30 days continuously and you'll see the difference and you'll see how quickly your English has improved. So guys, check out my first vlog.
Guys, today I'm at a grocery store. This store is called Metro. This is basically for business purposes. So you can buy things in bulk. You get a Metro card also wherein you get some discounts and all. So this is what the Metro features are. So here there's a big parking and it's an open area here. And we have food stalls also. We have sugarcane juice, wow, momos and other stalls as well. So what we have done is we came here and there's a lot of fresh air here and the weather is quite good and we are quite enjoying this place. We had a glass of sugarcane juice and we had some pani puri as well. And we're just strolling around this place and just watching what is happening. People are coming, they're buying things, they're going away. As you can see, I'm standing in this open area where this is parking as well, wherein people are parking their cars here. And we are also here. You can stand here, you can eat here, you can walk here, you can park your car here. You can use this place for multiple purposes, which is quite unique. I found very unique about this place. And I'm quite enjoying this. I went inside also, but there are lots of stuffs there. So I don't want to show you all those things that it's just grocery and some, other items as well, clothes and all, shoes, everything is there. So and of course there is a lot of people buying things there, so I didn't go and shoot inside, but I just tried to speak on this, like where I am right now and what I'm doing here. And guys, right now what I'm going to do is I'll share a small clip also about this place, what it has and what I'm talking to you about, so that you can relate to it as well. So guys, this is the entrance of Metro. You can see a lot of trolleys here. So people come, take these trolleys, put their stuffs in, get the billing done, and then just take out the stuffs on these trolleys and come out and keep it in their cars and put the trolley aside here. This is Metro, which I was talking about. And you get a lot of grocery items, you get a lot of retail items and every kind of items here. There are lots of things available. I was talking about these stalls where I had the sugarcane juice from here. I had some pani puri also from here. People park their car here. There's a big space where we can walk. There's a lot of fresh air here. And you can see the greenery also. There's a bridge also here. So the location is quite beautiful and the space is also huge. It's quite big. And I'm quite enjoying this place. I'm sure you have also enjoyed with me.
I hope you have enjoyed my first vlog. The second vlog is about the eatery which I have been to, wherein we had some snacks and tea and all. So you can check that out as well.
I'm at a nearby place and I was just exploring to eat something because it has just poured today. So it was raining today and the weather is quite good. So I just thought of taking a quick bite, having some snacks and chai outside. So we just came to this area, quite a crowded place, and it's quite hustling and bustling, and everybody is coming here and there. So everybody's coming to eat something. I think the weather is also good, so everybody thought of coming out of their house and just grabbing a bite, I guess. So we came here to have some chaat, and we had some rasmalai, and we had some tea and other snacks also, quite refreshing, and we really like this place. So you can just see that we just visit this restaurant. They have tea and snacks items and everything here. So just had some. You can see at my back there are some other stores as well. So there's a lot of cakes and pastries and other baked stuffs available. There are other things also. You can see a lot of greenery here. The road is here. People are traveling. So there are a lot of things happening here. It's lightning, so yeah, it can rain at any moment right now. But I just thought of sharing my thoughts and my experience today of just enjoying the weather. So guys, whenever it rains or whenever there is something new which happens, if you're going for a refreshment, a snack or anything, to a small eatery as well, a small place as well, you can always come up with your own thoughts on that. You can express your own thoughts. You can just describe it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes in English about that place, the surroundings, and what people are doing, what is happening, what you have eaten, what you like, you dislike. These things you can just talk about. And of course, it will help you to improve your English. You will enjoy also. And it will just be a part of your habit. It will be a part of your routine. Like going out or enjoying with friends, family, or maybe alone also you can enjoy. That's not a big deal. So you can just talk to yourself or you can come back at home and you start describing that place. Right? So you do a lot of things about it. So guys, I'm sure this session will be helpful for you and will definitely, wherever you are, at whatever place, if you're at a tapri or a small, joint as well, a small restaurant or a small cafe or a small pan shop or a chai shop, you will just start describing about it. Just talk about how the chai was, how the chaat was, how the pani puri was. Anything of your choice.
So guys, that's it for today. I just shot these 2 vlogs today. I will be coming up with lots more. I'll try to come up with new interesting concepts and new interesting places to describe so that it's easier for you to understand and it's easier for you to pick up the idea and start describing things in English or places or any activity or any experience or any exposure or any incident in English. I hope this will help you, and please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do give me a thumbs up, write your comments in the comment section, press the notification icon and enjoy my vlogs. See you. Bye-bye.